Reggae legend Toots Hibbert hospitalized.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
77-year-old reggae singer Frederick Toots Hibbert is now at a private hospital in St. Andrew, awaiting the results of a COVID-19 test administered on Sunday the 30th of August. According to the artist's manager, Cabell Stevenson, Toots is recuperating after being admitted to the intensive care unit following complaints of breathing difficulties. According to Stevenson, the singer's team is hoping for the best. We took him to a private facility where they administered some tests, but said based on what is happening, they had to do a COVID-19 test for everything to be complete and to rule it out, he said. He said too that this was very necessary, especially since Toots was having respiratory problems. It was our wish that he stayed at the hospital, where he can be under full observation, because of his age and who he is. Stevenson also said that although Toots is not one to worry, his family and management team are concerned. He will be worried only if he is feeling pain and is uncomfortable in the structure, like any human being would. Members of the artist's inner circle have self-quarantined and taken COVID-19 tests as well, as a few of them has begun to exhibit telltale symptoms of the disease. Stevenson thanked the government, especially the Minister of Culture Olivia Babsy-Grange and Minister of Health Dr. Christopher Tufton, for their assistance in expediting the test for Hibbert and members of his management team. Babsy has been very instrumental in making sure that Toots was properly taken care of, as she got in touch with the Ministry of Health at an early stage and ensured that things went smoothly. She has called night and day to check up on him. We thank her for her intervention. On Friday the 25th of August, Toots released his new album, Got to Be Tough.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!